Hello guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we'll be seeing how you can delete your Telegram account. So the first thing that you want to do is open Telegram and click on settings on the bottom right corner of your phone. After clicking on settings, scroll down and then you will see a search icon on the top right corner of your phone. Click on the search icon, then simply just type delete my account. As you can see, a red icon with delete my account written on it. Click on it. Then scroll down until you see delete my account. Click on delete my account. If you are planning to come back later on, click on come back later. And if you are planning on permanently deleting your account, click on continue. Here I am going to be deleting my account permanently, so click on continue. Again, click on continue. Then enter your phone number. Then click on continue, and then again for the confirmation, Telegram will ask you if you want to proceed the process of deleting your account. So click on delete my account. And there you go, your account has now been deleted. Very simple, right? If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.